Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Let's go slay some bells. I'll show you what I mean. On today's Vlogmas episode, we are making oversized Christmas bells. You will need 3 to 6 buckets or planters, Christmas ornaments, nautical rope, spray paint, a drill, and fish wire. So the first thing I did was drill holes into the bottom of each bucket that I had. It may take some time to create the proper size that you're going to need, but just find the right drill bit size to make things a lot easier. Next, I took this leftover metallic silver spray paint and covered all of the bells inside and out. After deciding on the length of each section of rope, I cut it up and then we fed the rope through the pre-drilled holes and made large knots to keep the rope from sliding out. I also added tape to the ends to add some extra security for the rope so it wouldn't slide out.
This one we probably could leave.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
We'll leave those two like that.
Okay.
And then this one will go to the middle and we'll knot it here.
Okay.
Right? So we don't have to cut that.
Okay. Alright.
So then we'll shorten the middle piece a little bit and then we'll hide that.
Those will be the outsides?
Yeah, that's to be short.
Once the rope was tied, we used fish wire to attach the ornaments at the end of each rope to get the look for a traditional bell. To then make things more festive, we added this large Christmas bow to the bells. And here's the final look. We used a shower hook and fish wire to hang up the bells to the porch post and added a couple more bows for good measure. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when the next upload takes place. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.